In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace for beginners. Let's get started and dive into the possibilities of this versatile platform. First, you'll want to visit the official Squarespace website. This is where your journey begins and the gateway to exploring where you can really make your ideas come alive online. Once you're on the website, log in to your account. You will be taken to your dashboard, which displays all your current projects. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the interface. From here, select the specific website you want to update. This is a crucial part of managing your web presence, ensuring everything stays fresh and up to date. Now, with your site selected, you need to click that Edit button, usually perched in the upper left corner of the page. Upon clicking, the page transforms into an editable landscape where you have the freedom to modify text, change images, and adjust layouts. This makes it easy to tailor your site to your preferences and accommodate customer feedback effectively. When you're satisfied with the changes you've made, ensure you click the Save button to publish your updates. This action ensures that all your hard work reflects live on your site, accessible to your audience. Squarespace's interface makes this as seamless as clicking a button, confident in the changes going live. Beyond just these steps, there are several other functions on Squarespace you should explore. For instance, the platform offers features like domain management, email marketing, and customer notifications. If you're selling products or services on your website, explore the e-commerce tools available which can help boost your sales. Squarespace also provides various marketing tools to enhance your digital outreach. Let's not forget about third-party tools integration, which can help expand your site's functionalities. There are customizable permissions and ownership options, managing who has access and what they can do on your site. Keeping track of your billing and efficiently utilizing developer tools can also elevate your site's performance and customization level. So, what if you're starting fresh and want to build a new website? Simply go back to the dashboard and select Create Site. Squarespace will guide you through a series of questions to determine the type of website you'd like to create. These inquiries are designed to tailor your site to fit your specific needs, making the foundational process a breeze. You'll be prompted to choose between using a pre-made template or harnessing the power of AI to build a unique design for you. Each approach has its own benefits. Templates offer well-crafted design choices, while AI can craft something new tailored just for you. With these tools and guidance, you're now well on your way to mastering Squarespace. Feel free to experiment and explore additional features. Your creativity is your only limit. Enjoy building your perfect website.